Hi guys, I am Vishal and welcome to yet another video on Gizbot. And today we are going to talk about Tecno Camon i4. So the company recently launched this device in the Indian market and we got one of the review units in our offices. So in this video I'm going to quickly unbox and show you what's inside the package and quickly run you through the design, specs, camera and other aspects of this phone. So stay tuned. So guys, this was our quick unboxing of the Tecno Camon i4. Please let us know in the comment section if you want to know anything about this device or anything related to the brand. And we will be definitely coming with a comprehensive review soon. So stay tuned on Gizbot. This is Vishal signing off. Thank you.